Oh, how beautiful is that? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. We have the newest color for the Ekster Cardholder Pro. This is an absolutely beautiful orange color. Let's get this thing out and show it to you. I've not seen it in person yet, obviously, because it just arrived and I've only seen it on the website. But as we get started, top link in the description box right below the video will be a direct link for 10% off of this wallet or anything Ekster offers on their website. The Tech Backpack, the Cardholder Pro wallets, the Wallet Pro wallets. If you guys have not seen my channel, I've pretty much reviewed every product they have. They're solid products, and I expect the same thing for this particular product right here. Okay, we have our little brochure. We'll get that out of the way, and look at that bad boy right there. Let's get that on out. That is the orange, beautiful orange. I know other companies make oranges like this, like Yeti. That's gonna match it just beautifully. Oh, how beautiful is that? E logo right on the front. But going back to the top link in the description box below, sorry, I got a little too excited there. 10% off whatever Ekster offers on their website. Definitely watch the whole video first though. But that again is top link in the description box below. 10% off Tech Backpacks, wallets, tracker cards for your Apple phones, etc. Alrighty, so we got a silicone band, the cash strap band. We have an upgraded metal push button with your Cardholder Pro. This actually has a slight texture to it. It's not glossy. It's kind of like a matte orange, and it's absolutely gorgeous in the light as it's coming in the window here. Flipping it around, we have our expansion plate right here. Yeah, it almost has this like very slight texture to it. That's really cool. Ekster logo here. You can put cash or cards underneath the expansion plate. This is RFID blocking technology. So looking absolutely incredible. And then that is what Ekster is known for, distributing your cards beautifully right through here. And this wallet can carry up to 14 cards as well as receipts, etc. Obviously, you're going to have to use the expansion plate for that. And typically what I do is I put about maybe like 5 or 6 cards in the slot, but I think it can hold 1 to 6 or 1 to 7 in the actual slot. I'm gonna put 5 cards in and just show you how that works right here. Beautifully. Now 2 are black, so they're kind of, camera's not picking those up, but 5 cards distributedly even right there. If you've never seen an Ekster wallet before, I personally use most used card on the back for easy access, or on the front, lifting that out. I'm just gonna put my license down a little bit so you can't see that on the internet. And then what I do is I use the backing of the card right there and push it on in. Same thing for the back. You use the backing of these cards here and slipping it right back into the slot. Let's just get a little rough with this, showing you the upgraded metal push button and then distributing the cards beautifully. There, you can see them all right there. Absolutely stunning. That's what makes Ekster an Ekster wallet. You can put cash right there on the cash band if you want. There is 4 bills right there, folded up of course. Or I would probably most likely put the cash underneath here, receipts, your gym membership, etc. So again, this all comes off. If you really want to go minimalistic, you can just go this if you really want to. But if you're going to have receipts like I do, put them underneath right there. You don't even have to have them showing. You can have it completely backed out like that. But if you are going to put anything back here, I probably wouldn't put anything that you need like quick access to. And the reason why is just, you know, if your cash is really tucked under there, it's not too hard to slide it out, but it's just so much easier, especially with, and I had to switch it back around. I actually like the thumb button on the left side of it here. But if you like it the other way around, then just switch the plate and everything over here. So you would trigger it like this here, but I personally like to trigger it like that there. But again, set your cards in there, your debit card, your credit card that you use most right in the front or back slot. You again can have the cash on the front. You can have more cards on the front, more cards up in between the expansion plate and the wallet. So check this out. So this is again for Apple Find My. Only with Apple devices. This, you can slip underneath your expansion plate like that. Let's tuck that down even more so you can't even see it on the top. You can barely see it here at the bottom. Now you have a GPS tracking device underneath your expansion plate, and your wallet is now 100% trackable. How cool is that? Or again, their newest Finder tags right here as well. These are pretty cool. Stay tuned for that full video. Silicone band, looking absolutely fantastic. A good feel in the hand, not too heavy, doesn't feel chintzy. That's a good looking wallet. So folks, once again, 10% off this wallet or whatever wallet or tech backpack tracker cards Ekster offers on their website. Use the direct link below. Your coupon code will be below that. Make sure you use that for 10% off. Enjoy your new wallet, your new tech backpack. You're not going to regret it. Upgraded metal push button, let's go. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech related videos and more. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. You're definitely going to want to subscribe because I have the carbon fiber color right here. Is going to be another video, as well as 2 more Wallet Pro, the leather ones, new colors right here as well. Those will be up on the channel shortly. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.